I just completed this course on prompt engineering, and here are the top 7 tips I learned. Number 1, persona pattern. If you want high quality answers, tell ChatGPT to act as an expert, for example, as a chemist or an accountant. Without the persona, you tend to get broad, vague answers. Number 2, question refinement pattern. Often the way we formulate the question is not perfect. Ask ChatGPT to reformulate the question and then use it. Number 3, for each new topic, use a new chat. Everything that is said in one session influences the output. So start a new session for a new topic. Number 4, chain of thought prompting. For more complex tasks, ask ChatGPT to explain its reasoning. It often helps with the output, particularly if you're asking it to do math. Number 5, few shot prompting. If you want a specific task done, give ChatGPT a few examples first. Number 6, outline expansion pattern. For long tasks, ask ChatGPT for an outline. Then ask it to fill out the outline step by step. Number 7, flipped interaction pattern. Sometimes it is easier when ChatGPT is asking the questions. Tell ChatGPT you want to achieve X, then tell it to ask you questions to get the information it needs. If you are getting value out of this video, please consider subscribing for more content like this. The course is divided in 6 weeks, but it can be completed much faster. I did it at a pretty easy pace in 4 days, but if you completely clear your schedule, you can probably complete it in 48 hours. There is a 7-day free trial, and after that, it is $50 a month. I highly recommend to just pick a week where you have a lot of time and bang it out in under 7 days and do it for free. After the completion, you get a standard Coursera certificate. In each week, there are several videos and also text summaries of the key points. There are also assignments that you complete using ChatGPT. It says that I got 100% on each of the assignments, but I don't think the assignments are actually graded. You just need to submit something. So I think that's a little bit of a weakness of the course, because it doesn't really test your knowledge whether you grasped it or not. This is very different from the other courses that I took with Coursera, like the deep learning specialization. Those assignments were quite challenging, and you definitely had to complete them correctly in order to get the credit. Pros. You get a nice overview of different prompt strategies. It is a good starter course. It is definitely more useful if you are a beginner to ChatGPT. And the presenter is very easy to understand. Cons. The intro is pretty boring. The later parts of the course have more useful content. Many examples are cool demos, but I don't see the practical application. For example, explain large language models to Christopher Columbus. It gives you creative output, but I don't know how it is useful other than for a high school essay. Overall summary, I think it's definitely worth it if you are new to large language models like ChatGPT, and you can complete the course in under 7 days for free. To people in the AI field, the certificate is probably worthless, but to people outside of the field, it might give you a slight edge. The quality of the content is not massively better than what you can find on YouTube, but since it is taught by a university professor and you can get a certificate, it is better than learning from YouTube. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.